In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Notion, which is better. By the end, you'll understand the core purpose of each tool, where they shine, where they struggle, and how to decide which one truly fits your daily work. Think of this as a practical guide, not just a feature tour, so you can confidently pick the platform that matches how you think and how your team operates. Let's set the stage. These two apps aren't trying to solve the exact same problem. ClickUp is designed to move work forward efficiently, from idea to completion, especially when multiple people and moving parts are involved. Notion is designed to help you design, document, and organize knowledge in a way that feels intuitive and beautiful. Both can overlap a bit, but their sweet spots are different. Keep your own day-to-day in mind as we go. Starting with ClickUp, often described as a work operating system, the focus is on throughput, turning tasks into finished results with minimal friction. It's a strong fit for teams with complex workflows, agencies tracking billable hours, and managers who need to understand what's happening at a glance. If your schedule revolves around deadlines, priorities, dependencies, and capacity, this structure-first approach pays off quickly. One of the standout advantages is that many utilities you need are already built in. Time tracking is native, so hours captured on tasks automatically inform workload and reporting. Screen recording is right there when you need to share context with a teammate. Goal and OKR monitoring lives in the same ecosystem as your tasks, which reduces the gap between what you plan and what you execute. Because these features are integrated, you spend less time stitching together plugins and more time getting work done. Automation is another area where ClickUp excels. You can create intuitive if/then rules that quietly remove repetitive steps from your day. For example, when a task status changes to done, it can automatically reassign to a manager for review, update a due date, or move into a different list. The real benefit isn't just saving clicks. It's about creating predictable, reliable flows so nothing stalls. Start with a couple of high-impact rules and build from there so your system stays transparent and easy to maintain. ClickUp's hierarchy, spaces, then folders, then lists, helps you scale without losing track of work. As departments grow, this structure prevents tasks from drifting into a digital abyss. A clear naming convention and consistent statuses make it simple for contributors to find their tasks, and for managers to roll up information into dashboards. You can keep a clean view for individual contributors while giving leadership the high-level metrics they need, all from the same source of truth. The trade-off is that ClickUp can feel heavy if you only need simple notes or light documentation. There's a learning curve, especially for new users facing lots of views, fields, and statuses. That said, you can keep things lean by hiding what you don't need, sticking to a minimal set of statuses, and introducing features gradually. When the goal is operational delivery at scale, the structure earns its keep. Now, let's pivot to Notion, the digital architect's workspace. Notion treats everything as a block, giving you a blank canvas to design pages exactly how you want them. It's ideal for startups building internal wikis, content creators managing ideas and workflows, students organizing coursework, and anyone who prioritizes documentation over complex task dependencies. If your daily work is writing, researching, and turning information into a system you can revisit later, Notion feels natural from day one. Its flexibility is unmatched. You can build a lightweight CRM, a reading list, and a travel itinerary on a single page using relational databases. Link databases together, add rollups to surface key details, and create filtered views that show only what's relevant. This lets you maintain a single source of truth while presenting information in different ways for different needs. It's the kind of tool where your setup can evolve seamlessly as your projects and ideas grow. The writing experience is another highlight. Notion remains a gold standard for long-form docs and standard operating procedures. The minimalist interface keeps attention on your words, while embeds, callouts, and toggles let you layer context without clutter. It's fast to draft, easy to refactor, and satisfying to read. Many people stick with Notion simply because it makes documentation feel calm and deliberate. On the visual side, Notion's aesthetic polish matters. When a workspace looks welcoming, you're more likely to maintain it. Templates, icons, cover images, and clean typography create a sense of coherence, even across different projects. For personal organization or team knowledge bases, that feeling of order makes a difference in day-to-day adoption. However, there's a clear trade-off. Managing complex projects with dependencies in Notion is possible, but it's clunkier than in ClickUp. You can approximate dependencies with relations, rollups, and formulas, yet it takes work, and it's easier to make mistakes. If you live in Gantt charts, sprint plans, or capacity dashboards, Notion won't feel as frictionless as a purpose-built project manager. So here's the verdict. Choose ClickUp if your day revolves around managing deadlines, tracking team capacity, coordinating handoffs, and moving through checklists with confidence. Choose Notion if your day revolves around writing, researching, designing knowledge systems, and organizing vast amounts of information into a searchable library. Both are excellent, but the right choice depends on what you do most, not just what you might do occasionally. If you found value in today's video, tapping the like button is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover this content. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments, whether there's a part you found especially helpful or an idea on how we can improve future videos. We read every single note, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.